Hi, welcome to the channel. Today we will be printing out this poop chute for the Bambu Lab's printer. Right here we have a model from Bambu Lab Studio. And right here we have the whole plate with it all assembled already from the website. So we just have to see how it turns out. We have all the settings and all that already set for us. So this chute contains a slot for which the original spool holder would be holding it. It would be right in the back over here. You would just have to slightly slide it in. It is a pretty tight fit, so you would just have to push it down ever so slightly just to make sure nothing breaks. But once it should go all the way down, you can see the chute is just below the poop line of the printer. What I'd recommend is using the tools that were provided within the machine. Just loosen up the screws a little bit. It helps make it easier to assemble it. And then once that's all done, you can grab your bin right here. You just slide it right underneath the chute slide. And that should pretty much it for this assembly. Now, from what I heard online, it is somewhat recommended to add some tape, like painter's tape, to the beginning of the slide, because when you're working with the same material that's coming out of the print bed, like I'm using PLA, the heat from the extruded material has a possibility of binding up to the current slide. So doing this is like an added prevention. It's also recommended, if possible, to print these into like a different material that's more heat resistant. But I just currently have PLA printed for this, so just added some tape. Shouldn't be an issue. See how it works out. You can see here in the back it's purging all the filament. And it slides down with ease. So like I say, that this is pretty much a success. Alright, just coming back to this filament holder. After a couple prints, you see all the access is still in there. And as you can see in the back, nothing's stuck, so everything seems to be working still. So it's after a couple print updates, still working pretty well. And so that's the end of this print build. Make sure to like and subscribe for more prints moving forward. And until next time, print on.